Hello, and welcome to this new episode dedicated to the history of ancient Rome. Today, we will explore one of the most significant moments of this era, the reign of Augustus, Rome's first emperor, and the establishment of the Pax Romana. Get ready to dive into a fascinating period where Rome's power took a decisive turn. Before becoming Augustus, he was known as Octavian. Born in 63 before Jesus Christ, Octavian was the grandnephew and adopted son of Julius Caesar. After Caesar's assassination in 44 before Jesus Christ, Octavian found himself at the center of the power struggles that tore Rome apart. With the support of his allies, he defeated Mark Antony and Cleopatra at the Battle of Actium in 31 before Jesus Christ, consolidating his authority. In 27 before Jesus Christ, he was granted the title of Augustus, meaning the Venerable One. This marked the moment he officially became the first emperor of Rome, ending the Republic and ushering in the Roman Empire. One of Augustus' greatest achievements was the establishment of the Pax Romana, or Roman peace. This period, spanning approximately 2 centuries, marked an unprecedented era of political stability and economic prosperity throughout the Roman Empire. Under Augustus, Rome's power reached new heights, although the empire continued to expand under his successors. He reorganized the empire's administration, reinforced its borders, and promoted trade throughout the Mediterranean basin. At the same time, he encouraged art and culture, laying the foundations of a flourishing civilization that left a lasting mark on history. Augustus was not just a military leader. He was also a visionary administrator. He reorganized the army by creating a professional system and establishing colonies for his veterans. He also centralized power while maintaining the appearance of a republic to appease the Roman elites. On the social front, he passed laws to encourage marriage and childbirth, thus reinforcing traditional Roman values. Thanks to these reforms, Augustus left his successors a stable and well-organized empire. Augustus' reign served as a model for many of the emperors who followed him. His ability to stabilize Rome after decades of civil wars was a turning point in ancient history. Although the empire reached its territorial peak under Trajan, it was Augustus who laid the foundations for this greatness. The Pax Romana remains etched in memory as a unique period of stability and prosperity. Thank you for listening to this episode about Augustus, the first emperor of Rome, and the Pax Romana. This exploration of ancient Rome's history has been rich in discoveries. If you wish to learn more about other key moments of this fascinating era, feel free to subscribe to the channel. See you soon for another journey into the past.